Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by importing both your green screen clip and the background into Capcut. This is where control begins. Make sure your subject is well lit and the green is consistent because the keying algorithm needs a clean reference. Once done, place the background on the lower track and the green screen clip above it, then trim and align durations so transitions match. Doing this first saves time in later fine-tuning and prevents edge artifacts when you apply the effect. Next, select your green screen clip and open Capcut's chroma key or keying controls. Choose the color picker and sample the green area so the software knows what to remove. Then adjust intensity or tolerance to eliminate remaining green without cutting hair or clothing. Reduce spill suppression to remove green tints on edges. If available, use matte or alpha tools to close holes and feather the edge slightly so your subject blends into the background naturally. Make gradual changes and preview playback to confirm results. Finally, polish the composite by color grading the subject to match background lighting. Add subtle shadows or a vignette so the result feels anchored. Export using a high-quality codec at full resolution and review for edge artifacts or color spill. If you see haloing or jagged edges, lower key tolerance, relight the original shot, or manually edit the matte with mask and feather tools. If color spill persists, use a secondary desaturation pass on.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.